supplies I'm going to be using for kid woodworking. This is a kid woodworking show. All kids, all cool.
Love it.
What we're going to be using are magnet blocks.
Okay.
And I use a square usually for a base. But now I'm adding more. This time I'm adding more to the base. Now I'm going to take one of a square, a square, and make a block, a house in the middle. Now I'm going to make extras in the back, like that.
Excellent.
And then make some like that in the front so it's equal, and then put these up. But I'm going to put this one in here. This right there.
Hold on.
And then take a picture of the back so they can see.
Okay. I'm going to stop the video.